Miss Shawned, and today I'm going to be making a snowman out of this box, and then I'm going to show you a couple of games that we could play. So before I started the video, I've cut out a big hole there, which is going to be the snowman's mouth, and then I've painted a nice big round circle for the snowman's face. So what could I put on his head, do you think, to keep him warm? Let me think. Oh, I know. What about a hat? Let's have a look. Got a hat here. I'm going to put some glue on it. So make sure you put a lot of glue on, because we don't want his hat to fall off, do we? So put lots of glue on, and then do I stick it at the bottom there? I think he needs to go on the top of his head, doesn't it? Up here. And there's his hat. Might need a little bit more glue down there. There we are. That's why we need lots of glue. Okay. Now then, what about to see? What does he need? Oh, I know, some eyes. Okay, so I've got some black paint here. I'm going to do 2 eyes. Okay, so 1, 2. Lovely. And then I'm going to do a little smile down here, so he looks like a happy snowman. There we go. And do a little nose. There. Okay. So one of the games that we could play is that we have to throw the balls into the snowman's mouth. Okay. So all I did was get a piece of white paper and scrunch it up like that to make a ball. Okay. Now then, I've also set a timer on my phone. So it's going to go on for 10 seconds, and then I have to count to see how many balls I get in the snowman's mouth. Now if you've got brothers and sisters living at home, maybe you could have a competition, take it in turns, putting the timer on, and then see who gets the most balls inside. Okay, so I'm going to put the timer on. I've got 10 seconds. Ready? Oh, got 1. Oh, 2. Oh, I missed that time. Oh, time is finished. So if I stop. Now then, shall we count to see how many I got inside? Ready? I'll leave that one. So we got 1, 2. That wasn't bad for a first go. So another game that we can play is called the Hungry Snowman. So basically the snowman is very, very hungry, okay, but he doesn't eat food, he eats numbers, and I've got the numbers 1 to 10 on the board there, or 0 to 10, sorry. So shall we just count them to make sure that they're all there? I need you to help me, okay? So we've got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to ask Mr. Snowman if he's hungry. Okay? Hello, Mr. Snowman. are you hungry today?
Yes, I'm very hungry, Miss Charlotte.
Ooh, what would you like to eat?
I would like to eat the number 5, please.
Here's number 5. But I don't know what number 5 looks like. How can I find out? I know what I'll do. I'll count them to find number 5. Can you help me? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Let me see if he likes it. See if it's right. Okay, Mr. Snowman, here's number 5. That was delicious. Oh, phew. You like that one? Would you like any more food, Mr. Snowman?
Oh, yes, please. I would like number 3.
It's number 3. Should we get number 3? So 0, 1, 2, 3. Ready? Okay, Mr. Snowman, number 3.
That was delicious.
Ah, well done, Mr. Snowman. Would you like anything else to eat?
Oh, no, thank you. I'm all full up now.
Oh, okay. Well, I hope you enjoyed your dinner. Now that sounds like a fun game, doesn't it? And then the other ideas, the good thing about this game is not only can it help you learn your numbers, but you can also do it using letters, you can do it using shapes, or you can do it with colours. So you could have a basket of Lego blocks and you have to find the right colours for Mr. Snowman. So there's lots of things you can learn with this game and it's fun. So if you do make one of these, please upload a photo onto the Teens page. I'd really love to see it if you do it. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you all soon. Bye!